Arts and Crafts. Today I'm showing you three of our LED items. The first one, you can see, it's LED candles. You can see 3 pieces per set in one pack, in one box, and the packing like this, very strong box. And you can see, and you can find easily on Amazon as YASEN. It's our brand. And you can also visit our website as www.yasen.com. So let me show you. When you get one set of LED candles from Amazon, you can open it and you will see first the PVC protect sets. This is the PVC cover to protect the frames, and you can see 3 pieces LED candles, 3 different sizes. This one is the biggest one. The size, the diameter is around 10.5 centimeters and the height is around 17.5 centimeters. The medium one, same diameter, and the height is around 15.5 centimeters. The smallest one, sure, same diameter, and the height is around 12.5 centimeters. So three pieces are here, and you can see it's real wax outside. Sure, inside there are plastic parts. You can see the bottom. This is the battery containers because it's battery operated. You can see we need three pieces of AAA batteries. AAA batteries, 3 pieces. So let me put. Oh, sorry, wrong one. And cover the. And you can see the black one is switch on. You will see it's light on. And just a moment. No, it's not shaking in the right way. I will put all 3 on. Also 3 pieces AAA batteries. Oh, sorry. Should be switch off first. It's okay. Now we switch it on. The middle one and the smallest one. So it's how the battery quality is, and the work time of the LED candle depends on the quality of the batteries. So don't save money about the on the batteries. So you can see all of them, 3 pieces like this. And let me show you the flame. It's very special. It's jumping up and down. You see? It's more real look, like the real candles. bigger size should be better either for me, because I must keep it not shaking. Just the flame. You see it's jumping up and down. And it's the feel of touch is very good. It's like the same one because it's real wax outside. And you can see we use one set here on the table, and it's very beautiful, we can see. So let me show you the second, and you can see there's a PVC base on the bottom too. So we can see that it's very well protected. So that's the first one. Second, you will see the copper lights. Very easy and simple packing, but very nice lights. You can see the YASENN. It's our brand, and you can find it easily on Amazon. So let me show you. Very easy to open and take out. You can see there's a operator. I put it here first. The lights. This is the back, and you can close it here and keep it. You can use it for something else. It's very good quality bag. And now let's check about the lights. You can see USB connect. It's like this. And I have a power bank here, so we can light it up easily. You see, it's lit up. And it's multicolor. We have different choice as cool white, warm white, and multi. And now let me show you. Maybe it's better to turn off the candles, and then you can see it easily. It will be more clear for you to see these lights. So you can see it's like this. So let me just put it here like this. Very freestyle. So take off the protector, the power protector, and you can see on, timer off, and off. And you can see 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. So it's timer. This one is with this light is with timer. And we have 4 choices as 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. And you can see there are 8 buttons. So it's 8. It is with 8 functions. And it was dimmer, plus, and minus, and the speed faster and slower. So let me show you. First, we try off. So it's turned off, and now we try on. So it's turned on. Now we check first function 1. So you can see it's lit up. and 2, the second function, and 3, something wrong. This is the, you can see it's changing. Speed up, so it will change fast, and speed down, it will change slower. And let's try another function. So we can also speed up, it's like this, and speed down. So it's changing slower. And let's try next. And let's try we can also control the light. More bright. So it's getting more bright, and then back, and more bright and back. Yeah, that's all the functions. And you can put in a bottle or something like this, vase, or in a bottle, just a glass bottle. And if you have a lantern like this, you can also put it inside. You can make it in any shape you prefer. See, it's very nice. See? So that is the second one. Now it's turn for the third one. You can see the packing. Very simple, look like the first one, but this one is different. It is not real wax, but just PVC plastic one. PVC protecting set inside the box. Also 3 pieces per set. The size is 3 pieces. Like this. 3 different sizes and a perfect set. And you will see that these legs are with functions. Let me check. You can see the touch is same as wax, but it's not real wax, it's just plastic. So it's made by special way. You can see I can scratch it by my nail, but it's no broken. And you can see also the batteries container here. There are some batteries inside. Same as the first one, 3 pieces AAA batteries. Let me try. Okay, light up like this. It's waving left and right, front and back. This one too, also with batteries. 3 pieces AAA batteries. Turn it on. I guess this, yes. Oh, I'm sorry. This one also with batteries. 3 pieces AAA. Yeah, all of them light up. It's very warm. For Christmas, for party times, or just for home decor, they're very good choice. You can see. Let me show you by the biggest one. So you can see it's also very warm look, like real candles. And as I told you, this set of LED candles are with functions. You can see on, off, and also timer. 2 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 4 choices. And there are 2 functions as candle and light. So let's try candle. Candle means it's more like the real candles. The flame is more light, more warmer, and the light is more like it's more bright. We can see. So if you want to be more romantic, you can choose the candle mode. If you like more bright, you can choose the light. So, and it can be also more, sorry, the PVC protector I didn't take off. So we can try candle. You can see the frame, the light is changing like candles. It's, yeah, as I guess you can see the difference. Maybe more. Do you see the difference? Let's try light. And now this is the light mode. So we can see it's bright, more bright, and same always. And you can choose 2 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 4 different choices for timer. And you can also make it more bright and less bright. You see, not so bright now. Do you see the difference? More bright. Let's make it more bright. You see, more bright, less bright, more bright. It's easy to see the difference. Less bright, more bright. Yeah, that's all. And you can easily find on Amazon. You just input the YASENN, and you can also find us on our website as www.yasenn.com. Off, on, candle. To be frank, I prefer the candle mode more. So I want to show you. And you can see more details. You see, it's really very real look, and it's really very good feeling. And there's no dangerous, you know. Sometimes we drink we put some candles and we drink, talk, and maybe we forget. And maybe if we with real candle, sure, there are not big chance, but it can be dangerous. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please remember, input YASENN on Amazon, or visit our website as www.yasenn.com. Thank you. Have a nice day and take care during the special COVID-19 time. Bye.